Hey guys, Matt here for Udesly.com. This video what I'm going to do is show you the starter themes that we have brand new to the Udesly Adapter. We have 4 currently available. We have the starter theme for WordPress, starter theme for Shopify, WordPress WooCommerce starter theme, and of course we have the Easy Digital Downloads theme. So what you need to do first is make sure you have the Udesly Adapter. If you don't, simply click the sign in button on Udesly.com and log in to your account like so. If you don't have an account, make sure you to create a free account, and then once you've created your free account you can use the free option of the Udesly Adapter, or you can try the advanced plan for a 7-day free trial. So what you want to do is hit download on the adapter, and then once that's downloaded just click it and install it. And it'll automatically launch. And as this is my second time launching, I'm not greeted with the activation screen. However, what you need to do when a screen appears is simply copy your activation code and paste it inside of the Udesly Adapter along with your account email address. Now we have that installed, what I'm going to do is clone the WordPress starter theme, press clone into your account, and there we go, we are ready to edit this to our heart's content. So as you can see, we have all our pages here. We have our about page, we have our login page, and if I click on the login form, go to the form block, you can see we have our custom attributes already applied there. So when we go ahead and export our Webflow project and convert, now just a note, we do also use the Webflow CMS just to set up this functionality within the starter theme. So stuff like our blog post, categories and authors. And inside there we have some dummy content like so. This is only so when we go and create this template and style it up, we have some content to play with. Just note that if you are going to populate any of your blog content, do not use the Webflow CMS, you need to use the WordPress one. Let's jump over to WordPress right now. As you can see, I have a normal plain WordPress install already, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to my post, and you can see we have an example post there already. If we want to style any of our elements, we can simply click on one of them. So if I want to make this heading bigger, if we go to the style panel, we can go ahead and change this to 28, and we can change the size to 24. And if I want to change the color, I can go ahead and change the color, and as you can see, all of our style is carried across. You can literally customize every single pixel on the page regardless whether an element has an attribute or not. If you want more functionality inside of your starter theme, you can use the WordPress Elements pack, which we have also created to give you a load more elements that you can add to your blog and your website in general to give you a lot more functionality. So that's a quick introduction to the starter template and also a brief overview of the elements. Now what you need to do is export your theme. So what you want to do is hit the export code option, prepare the zip, and then when that's ready you want to hit the download button. If you open up the Udesly Adapter, select on WordPress, and then what you want to do is drag that zip into there like so. Give it any name you want. I'm just going to briefly populate this like so, and if you want to keep track of your theme version number you can go ahead and do that as well. Here we have our page type, and as you can see we have our slug from Webflow named in the small writing and the page that we will be using inside of WordPress there. Our detail category page is our blog archive, and our detail post page is our single post page there as well. And also we have a full width template here, so I'm going to select down on there, and instead of selecting standard template there, I'm going to select template. What this does is give you an optional template for your pages, and then we're just going to scroll down and make sure all our other pages are set to generic search results or otherwise. If you have created additional pages however inside of this template, you could go ahead and just browse through all of these and select which one is applicable for you. For example, you can use the maintenance one if you've created a custom coming soon page, which is handy for switching on and off your website. So we can hit next once we are happy with all of our page settings, and here we have a couple options to disable the front-end editor, and we have the option to remove our Webflow SEO and manage it in WordPress. We want to hit next because I am happy with that, and then we are ready to convert, so you just hit that button there. And you can choose to upload using FTP, or you can download the template and upload via the admin panel. So what you want to do is jump over to WordPress. You want to go to your appearance settings, press themes, and then you want to hit add new, upload theme, and then you want to choose the zip. Install that. So we can activate that theme there, and then what this will do will prompt us to install the plugins. So begin installing those plugins there. You can see we have the Udesly Adapter plugin and the WordPress importer there. So what we're going to do is just activate the importer and activate the Udesly Adapter plugin. Now what you need to do is go ahead and go to the Udesly option, go to the import from Webflow, and import our pages and front-end data. Now the reason we use the Udesly Adapter companion plugin is so you can actually use the front-end editor actually on your website, and it also enables all the functionality that Udesly also brings and allows it to hook into other WordPress plugins as well. So it really is the backbone of your theme to enable all of the features that comes with the Udesly Adapter. Now as you can see, we have imported all of our pages inside of WordPress, but we still have a dialog at the top because we are missing an element. So what you can go ahead and do is select on that, and it'll tell you what content we need to create. Now if I go to the home page, you can see all of the Webflow interactions such as fading has been pulled across nicely, and we could scroll down. We've got all of our elements popping in and sliding across like so. So all of the native Webflow interactions pull across nicely and are all compatible with WordPress. Now our posts do look a little bit weird, but that's only because we have one blog post. Once you start populating this with multiple ones, it will look a lot nicer, but as you can see, our color change here has been pulled across nicely. Our front-end editor is very easy. You can see here we've got a couple options here to edit images, or we can select this text option here and edit some of our text here. So if I want to edit this, I can select that and it brings up a nice dialog here, and simply refreshing the page still has the data there. So that's all for the starter theme for WordPress. If you want to join our Udesly community on Facebook, just happily click on the link in the video description and join. We are very active on there, and I do try my best personally to interact with as many of you guys as possible and help you out. Also, we have our documentation, so if you just go to docs.udesly.com, we have resources for Webflow, and again we have the Udesly Adapter documentation there. And if you just select like so, you can browse through all of the extensions available for the Udesly Adapter. So if you want to add your attributes manually and create everything from scratch, you can go ahead and do that as well, instead of cloning the starter theme or the elements pack. Anyway, my name has been Matt. I hope you got the best from this video tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.